Good morning, children. Today we are going to start the second chapter's third topic, that is atmosphere. Already we read about the land sphere and hydrosphere, lithosphere and hydrosphere. Now today we are going to read about atmosphere. Atmosphere means we can simply understand about the air. We are talking and other gases. So first the question arose in our mind, what is atmosphere? The atmosphere mean we can say it atmosphere includes a lot of gases and many more things. That one those gases covers the layer of gases covers the earth's surface up to 1600 kilometer, and this layer of gas is called atmosphere. Now see what is the definition given in here. The sphere of the air that wraps the earth from all sides is called atmosphere. Same ki the sphere mean gas, the layer of gas which one is covered, wrap the our earth from all the sides, that is called atmosphere. And this atmosphere is available only 1600 kilometer from the surface of the land. It extends approximately up to 1600 kilometer from the surface of the earth. It cannot be seen clearly with the naked eye like lithosphere and hydrosphere. Means here telling this line ki we can not see this gaseous belt, only we can feel it. And like a lithosphere land we can see, hydrosphere water ocean bodies we can see, but we cannot see the air, this layer. We can feel it through various processing. Atmosphere is composed of various gases, water vapors, dust particles, smoke, salt, microorganism, etc. Composed means existed in this gaseous belt. These things are also included and making our atmosphere. Those are gases. So many type of gases are available in this atmosphere. Water vapors are available, dust particles are available, smoke, salt, microorganism, etc. are available. Here gas, though you know a lot of various type of gases are available in this atmosphere. Water vapor, you know, in the water cycle process you may be read in science ki due to heat the upper surface of the water, when it become very hot, smoke started coming out and it moved toward the sky, and these smokes are called this process is called evaporation. And due to evaporation, these smokes converted as a small vapor, means we can say that is called water vapor existed in the air. When it is evaporating, that time to it become very hot, it is maybe very hot, and afterward it's cooled down, and like that process, that is called water vapor. Dust particles are available, smoke, you know, and salt and microorganism means through that is today's current world we can get this great example of corona, that is one kind of microorganisms disease virus spreaded, which one we cannot see, and that is spreaded, it is a, through the air only, from human body to one human body to another human body. So that is called microorganism. Atmosphere is colorless, odorless and transparent. Means we can atmosphere land, so we can see that brown color soil is there, rocks are there, like that. Water also sometimes we can see say it is blue in color, but air, it is colorless, no color is there, no smell is there, and transparent means we can see like a glass, we can see same as we are seeing from our eyes. Solid, liquid and gaseous elements are included in the atmosphere. It contains approximately 78% of nitrogen, 21 percentage of oxygen and 1 percentage of other gases are included in this world, that you can see in this diagram. Amount of gases in atmosphere. Through the diagram only you can see blue one per nitrogen covering maximum part, pink color oxygen, that one is covering only 20.999 percentage, and very few white color, that is other gases 0.98 percentage other is covered by the other gases. Now the next stanza. When we go higher from the surface of the earth, the amount of the most of the gases in the atmosphere decreases. Carbon dioxide gas is heavy, so it is found more in the lower layer of the air. Here telling ki in this atmosphere a lot of type of gases are prevailed. Which one is lighter, that one, that's why it is we can see in the upper layer of the atmosphere. But in that atmosphere one gas is there, that is carbon dioxide, that is weight, heavy in weight, that's why we are getting this carbon dioxide near the surface of the earth. That's why, and this carbon dioxide is created inhaled by, exhaled from the human body. Then other sources, so many vehicles are also running, and some factories are also running. Not only carbon dioxide, many more other type of gases are releases, which one is creating pollution in this world. So in this pollution carbon dioxide playing an important role, which when that's why it is because carbon dioxide is heavy in weight, it cannot go up, and it is available near the ground only, and which create pollution in this world. Now the third stanza is telling about the ozone gas. Ki in this atmosphere nitrogen, oxygen, so many other gases are there. With that ozone gas is also existed, and which one is very helpful for living beings. How? Because uh, this gas absorb the ultraviolet rays from the sun and protect the earth from excessive heat of the sun. Here telling you can see ki what is the good thing of this ozone gas, how it help us, because it absorb the ultraviolet, means suppose 100% rays are coming towards the earth, it is suppose in 90 percentage heat it is absorbing, which one, and throw it, send it back to the toward the space only, and only hardly few percentage of sun rays we are getting, which one is good for biosphere also. Otherwise if ozone gas, ozone layer is not there, so our earth nobody can be survive, things will be burned, because sun is a component of various type of hydrogen gas. It is a ball of hydrogen gas, and it is extracted a lot of heat, which one is absorbed by the ozone layer, and that's why biosphere existed in this world. This gas is more in proportion in the morning, in the open ground, and in the air near the sea. Which gas? Ozone gas. Now the next stanza is telling gases like oxygen and nitrogen keeps the living creature on the earth alive. Means these two gases help the living creatures alive. Nitrogen reduces the intensity of oxygen. What is the most important component in the atmosphere? Means atmosphere, whatever gases, dust particles, so many things we are getting. Among that, water also create a great role in making this atmospheric belt. How? See, due to heat, the water in the form of vapor evaporate and mix with air, which is known as moisture. That due to the evaporation, so many smokes when it's moved toward the sky, and there it's cooled down, and this cooling down process is called condensation, and due to evaporation and condensation, water vapor existed in this atmosphere, and which one is known as moisture. The moisture means in Hindi we can say nami, means when the air breathing and cool air is breathing, we can say it is the air containing moisture. That is, the process of cooling of vapor is called condensation. Various forms of moisture like dew, fog, clouds, and precipitation means rain are due to condensation. Means this water cycle process. In that process, evaporation is there, condensation is there. In this process only, you sometime we can see in winter season. We can see morning time dew, fog, in the morning time, and clouds also we can see in the sky due to this water cycle process only. And due to this water cycle process, when the clouds collided with each other, rain started uh, rain started, and again all the water vapor converted as a water and fall down to the towards the land. So that is telling here the effect of atmosphere is seen on human beings in every aspect of life. Now atmosphere, about we read what is it, how it is, can we feel it, can it is contain having any taste, any color, like that we read. Now we are going to read about the effect, means एटमॉस्फेयर का ह्यूमन बींग्स के ऊपर या हमारे बायोस्फीयर पे कोई असर पड़ता है कि नहीं. Now we are going to read about this. The effect of atmosphere is seen on human being in every aspects of life, such as in their food habits, clothing, habitat, color, economic activity, etc. Here telling the effect, the atmospheric effect falls on the biosphere too much. Every aspect of every part, every time, or every moment we can see the effect of atmosphere on human beings. According to the atmosphere only, when the atmosphere become very hot, so the people, that is called summer season. According to atmospheric temperature, there are three seasons: summer, winter, and monsoon. When the atmosphere become very hot, so people are taking cold drink, cold things, wearing cotton clothes, and according to that, farmers also farming their fields. According to rainy season, people are eating hot things, wearing raincoats, and like that. According to the winter season, people are wearing uh, woolen clothes and preferring to have to drink hot things, hot food, hot things, like that. So we can see, we can feel in our life also, according to the season we are changing our food habit, clothes, or like that. That is the effect of atmosphere, we can see that. Now the next stanza is telling many dust particles are seen in the atmosphere. Many dust particles, that is telling ki it is a component ki in the atmosphere we are getting dust particles also. We cannot see it, we can feel it. Just you see in your our daily life also, if sometime 4 5 days we are closing our house, so we can see 1 week after we just open our house, so we can see everywhere dust are lying there. In this way we can understand कि surely all the doors, everything are closed, but air is present in there. That's why dust are coming inside and occupied all the areas. In this way we come to know कि air contain dust particles also. This dust particles not only dusting our things, it is very helpful for the living beings. How? See, spreading of sun rays are visible due to these particles. It is due to the dust particle that it does not suddenly turn dark after the sunset, and it does not suddenly turn bright after the sunrise. The sun rays are reflected back with the help of these dust particles on the surface of the earth, and we receive the light of the sun. Here telling कि these dust particles are present in the atmosphere in this belt, and which one when the sun rising it absorb the sun rays, and afterward it is spreading to us, and when the sunset evening time also it absorb the sun rays. That's why after the sunset also, after 1 hour, yeah, 1.5 hours after also we can get the light of the sun, but already sunset. So it that is the so that is created done by the dust part due to dust particle only. So we can see the dust particles, the importance of dust particles in our life. One more importance is there about this dust particle. What is that? We are able to listen to the sound due to the presence of atmosphere. That's why radio and Doordarshan telecast is possible. Now last line is telling कि dust particles plays one more important role in our life. Due to presence of dust particle in the air, we can get the radio and Doordarshan telecasting, because it's sending the messages one particles to another particles, and in this way one place to another place through the air. These sounds and Doordarshan telecasting will be possible. So in this way we came to know a lot of information about the atmosphere, what is atmosphere, what it composed of, it is composed of various gases. Then we read about this carbon dioxide. It is due to heaviness we are getting it in the near the surface of our land. Then we read about the ozone gas, which is very beneficial for the human existence. Like that, if ozone gas is not there, then our earth might maybe burn and everything will be finished. Like that, so this gas help us to exist biosphere. Then we read about this evaporation, condensation. Then we read about the effect of atmosphere on the human beings. According to that, atmosphere plays a great role in the living beings, on the living beings. According to that, all the living beings changing their food habit, living style, economic activity, everything. Then we read about this dust particle which is existed in the atmosphere, and which one is very helpful for the living being. That's why we are transmitted everything from one place to another place. And today this video also will be transmitted from one place to another place due to this dust particles only, we can say. So dear student, you read this chapter 1 2 3 times. Surely you will get some knowledge from here, and you prepare the short notes also. Already we read lithosphere, hydrosphere, and today atmosphere. The 3 short notes you can prepare at least. Now you reached in 8th standard, at least 7 8 lines you try to write as in a short note, point wise. So for today I am ending with this. Take care of your health and don't go outside. Bye.